Hi everybody, welcome in today's video. Today's video is going to be a very important update, so make sure to watch this video till the end. We are going to have a look at Bitcoin right now, but we are going to have a look at what is happening with the Bitcoin dominance, what is happening with altcoins, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do with my altcoins crypto holdings right now. So guys, if you think that's interesting, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. All about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now guys, we are jumping into the Bitcoin price action, but before we are zooming in on the Bitcoin price action, let's do what we do every single time. That is, we are taking 1 single minute, we are scrolling below this video and we hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very much appreciated. Like I said, today is going to be an important update because we are seeing some interesting signals, and not only, or not mainly even, in the Bitcoin chart. Then a quick reminder for everybody guys, everybody who's interested right now in signing up on the Bybit platform. If you sign up using my affiliate link down below, you can get an additional bonus of $1,600. More information to be found with the link down below. Yeah, so for everybody who hasn't got an account on Bybit yet, right now would be a great opportunity to take advantage of this huge temporary bonus that is going on right now. Then let's go back to the chart guys. What's happening with Bitcoin? Well, actually Bitcoin is just following the plan a little bit, right? We broke below the uptrending support of the rising wedge pattern. We saw a further drop. Right now we are getting supported by this first support level. We haven't really seen a decisive break below it, so we haven't seen a daily close below that level, which is starting at approximately right here 55,800, coming down to 55,500. So we're still trading above this level, which is actually quite interesting. Bitcoin right now as well is still dancing with the 50-day moving average, which is a very important level for Bitcoin, and we are still trading below this level. This level so far has been acting as resistance, which in essence in the shorter term time frame is a bearish sign, because most of the time when we break below the 50-day moving average, that is being followed by a bigger drop to the downside. So that scenario is definitely on the cards there guys. I think that is definitely possible to see a further drop. Right now, if Bitcoin wants to become bullish again, we first need to get a nice daily close back again above the 50-day moving average, which is right now at approximately 56,700 approximately. But guys, like I said, Bitcoin right now is not the most interesting chart to have a look at. I want to go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, and I want to have a quick chat with you guys about what I'm seeing right here in the Bitcoin dominance chart. And let's zoom out a little bit, because we have been talking so much about the Bitcoin dominance, and we have been predicting the Bitcoin dominance and altcoin season very successfully right here on the channel guys. And now I'm going to do something similar. So you see the green boxes right here. All these green boxes, they represent the month of March. And like we did this March as well, because sometimes in trading, periodical events are actually quite significant. We are seeing that with a lot of examples. Some months are doing better than other months. It's not a sole indicator that you can use, so don't solely rely on only a periodical event, but you can use this as a extra confirmation in your basket of indicators to trade and make your trading game plan, right? I'm also teaching that in my cryptocurrency trading course guys. But right here we can see that in March the Bitcoin dominance is actually almost always decreasing, which means that March most of the time is a altcoin season, that liquidity in the general crypto markets is flowing over the altcoins, where you can gain a lot of Bitcoin with trading altcoins. Very interesting, right? And we have done that right here on the channel guys. Right here, right before we broke that support guys, I have been posting everyday videos about altcoin entries, about Chainlink, about Ethereum, about Polkadot. A lot of altcoin entries we have been setting right here, and this was the altcoin season we have been trading so far, which has been quite successfully guys. I made a significant amount of gains in the Bitcoin comparative. I'm actually quite happy with that, but right now I'm going to scale out of these positions And yeah, that is the thing that I'm going to do right now, because if we have a look at the periodical event after the event of March, when we are entering the end of April, we are seeing most of the time, not every time, so here's an exception, but the previous 3 times we are seeing the Bitcoin dominance seeing a bounce to the upside, which means that liquidity in the crypto markets generally is going back to Bitcoin. And that's starting most of the time around the beginning, middle of end of April. Right now we are seeing that as well. And it's not only the periodical event which is showing us right now that we could be seeing a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance. It is all the charts are aligning right now. So let's first have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, which has already seen a decrease without a significant bounce, right? If we bring out the RSI, then we can see that RSI is also at oversold conditions. We could be forming a divergence right here, which means that which is the early sign of a reversal, right? We are already seeing that divergence on the 4-hour time frame, not yet on the daily time frame, but in the 4-hour time frame we can already see the chart is making lower lows and the RSI is making higher lows. And I said, guys, and I've been saying that the most significant level below us in the Bitcoin dominance is approximately the 50 to 51% level. If I scroll out, let me quickly show you what I mean by that. If I scroll out right here in the Bitcoin dominance, then you can see I've put a horizontal green line right there, and yeah, as you can see, this level, which is the a little bit above 50% level calculated by TradingView, has shown a lot of significance, has been acting as support, has been acting as resistance once the dominance was trading below it, was a significant support level right here in 2017. So that is a level that I'm watching, and it would make sense, guys, for the Bitcoin dominance to see a bounce from here, which means that you want to scale out of your altcoin positions back into Bitcoin. And let me start with the first altcoin that we are going to have a look at, that is Ethereum. And we have been talking so much about Ethereum. We have been accumulating Ethereum right here, guys. And also when Ethereum didn't took off yet, I've been making so much videos, guys, saying every day right here that we are not yet seeing the firework in Ethereum, but that will come. We need to be patient. We need to be positioned in. All the charts are aligned. We are going to see Ethereum taking off in the Bitcoin comparative. And although we had to wait a couple of days, couple of weeks, Ethereum took off. We had a nice takeoff, and so far we had an increase of, up from the bottom till the top, we had an increase of 42%, which is quite a lot for a established altcoin like Ethereum with a high market cap, a lot of liquidity, and so on. But guys, right now we are seeing something interesting. Ethereum right now is reaching my first target, and I've been talking a lot about this target. I have put this target right here, but I've always said like it's going to be the middle of the channel right here. So the further we reach that target in time, the higher the target would be. Makes sense, right? But right now we are reaching that target, and I'm seeing a lot of confluence. That is the reason why I think this is so significant. We are seeing probably a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance, which would be bearish for this chart because this is Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative, right? Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative is reaching the middle of the channel. Previous time we've reached the middle of the channel, we saw a rejection. It is normally normal to get a rejection the first time we are testing this level. Then guys, we have another confluence, and that is Fibonacci levels. If I draw a Fibonacci level from the top right here to the bottom, then we can see that we are coming up to the 78.60%, which is aligning at the level of 0.041944 approximately, which is as well confluence showing that we might be seeing some resistance right here. If I bring out the RSI, then not yet confirmed, but we are seeing the RSI making lower highs, while in the price we're making higher highs, which is a bearish divergence, could indicate a reversal right here in Ethereum as well. We have a nice declining resistance on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame, so that could be a point of rejection, right? That the momentum is coming up there, but we are getting rejected. We are seeing that very often, and yeah, if that were to be the case, guys, I think we can see a correction right here, Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative. And yeah, first see a correction, find a new bottom, and from there later on continue this uptrend. Because in the longer term time frame, guys, I do think Ethereum is going to continue its uptrend in the Bitcoin comparative. However, we had a 41% increase or 42% without a correction. I think right now it's quite likely for Ethereum to see a breather right here to correct, because we are seeing this confirmations with different charts as well. If Ethereum were to break above this middle of the channel decisively, then that would definitely be a very bullish sign, and I think Ethereum could trade to the top of the channel, which would be at approximately 0.05 Bitcoin per Ethereum, guys. So this is what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm taking some profits off the table from my Ethereum trade right here, and I'm hoping to buy back more Ethereum at cheaper prices once we have seen that correction right here. So okay guys, that is what I think is going to happen right now in the crypto space. I think right now in the shorter term time frame, we are going to see a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance. We might not see it today, but we are going to see it in the next couple of days. We're just seeing so much confirmations wise. The Ethereum chart is aligning, Bitcoin dominance chart is aligning. A periodical event is confirming it as well. So for me it looks quite logical for the Bitcoin dominance to see a bounce right here, and for the crypto markets liquidity to be focused slightly more on Bitcoin right here in the shorter term time frame. So this is going to be my strategy. This will bring a lot of opportunities, guys. If we were to see a bounce in the Bitcoin dominance, you want to be watching a lot of altcoin charts and want to look at the perfect entries for the next altcoin season. Make sure to subscribe down below to this channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video and whenever I'm sharing those entries of these altcoins. Very, very important, guys. But okay, that was it for today's analysis. I hope you all enjoyed it. If so, guys, please scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. Very, very much. I'm very happy with the crypto community we have right now here on the Blockchain Today YouTube channel. It's very, very awesome. For all the traders out there, guys, who still want to take advantage of that huge bonus that is going on Bybit right now, you can find my affiliate link and all the requirements down below in the pinned comment and in the description. Then I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day ahead, and I will see every single one of you in the next video.